So I have an update here on the Harbor Breeze Calera ceiling fan on the patio at my grandparents' house. It is now bladeless because, well, in early March there was some really bad windstorms, as you may know, and it broke one of the blades. So I just took the other four off, and here they are right here. And I threw away the broken blade.
You gotta clean next time you come to town, you gotta clean. He cleaned my bedroom blades. Oh, I'm sorry.
And see where the blade arms are. The blade arms are still on this fan. And yeah, I'm not sure where I'm gonna get replacement blades from. I'm not sure if I can even find any for this fan. I may have to get different blades of blade arms, but that won't really look good on this fan. But yeah. Anyway, so I guess I'll give you a quick demo. The motor vibrates like crazy.
She's pretty good.
I'll give you an update whenever we replace the blades on this thing, which I'm not sure when.
And you get ripped off. Alright, we'll be back. Bye.
Oh, so when or left time?
Like Mary Jackson.